What is a dwarf planet? Does Pluto still remain as a planet? Pluto is an unusual type of object in our solar system, orbiting through the Kuiper belt through countless icy bodies. But Pluto is not the only one. Our solar system is home to lots of different dwarf planets, each with different features that make it different from a planet and other dwarf planets. Today we are going to take a look at the main 5 dwarf planets and what makes them special. Let's dive in! First, before we meet the 5 dwarf planets, we should first know about what is a dwarf planet and what different is about them. A dwarf planet orbits the sun and not acting like a moon, just like a planet. Its gravity must be enough to almost make it a sphere, like a planet, but has not cleared its orbital path, which is not like a planet. Now let's take a look at these special objects. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt and the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. Ceres was discovered in 1801 and remained as an asteroid till 2006. Scientists believe that Ceres contains vast amounts of water beneath its surface. Ceres is the first dwarf planet that has a spacecraft that flew by. Makemake is one of the cold bodies of the distant Kuiper belt objects. Makemake is slightly smaller than Pluto and is the second brightest object in the Kuiper belt, after Pluto. Makemake is named after the Rapa Nui god of fertility. Rapa Nui means the culture of Easter Island. It is said that Makemake has a dark moon with a faint glow. Haumea is an unusual dwarf planet and very different to the other dwarf planets. Its shape is more like an oval-like sphere than a normal sphere. Haumea has 2 moons, more shaped like asteroids. Haumea is the only dwarf planet with its own ring system. It spins very fast, with 4 Earth hours being 1 day for it. Eris is the second largest object in the Kuiper belt, being slightly smaller than Pluto, but much denser. Eris plays a crucial role in the dwarf planet category because if Eris was not there, then the dwarf planet category wouldn't even exist. The discovery of Eris started a debate in the scientific community, and the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, then established the dwarf planet category in 2006 and established specific characteristics that if an object has it, it is a planet. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet in the solar system, with icy plains, nitrogen glaciers, and red patches which are made of thorin. Pluto has 5 moons: Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, Styx, and Charon. Charon is the largest moon, which is almost half of Pluto's size. Pluto and Charon are referred to as a double dwarf planet system because instead of Charon orbiting Pluto, they orbit a shared point in the space between them. Dwarf planets may be small and unnoticeable, but they have a unique role in telling the story of our solar system. From tall glaciers in Pluto to hidden water beneath Ceres, from Haumea's unusual shape to Eris's role in changing astronomy forever. Each has a role, and together they are a part of our solar system and tell a big story. If you enjoyed, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button for more journeys through space.